Hey, I'm Wrisley, and I'm the scientist.
Orenchuk. Video man.
I'm Kolwicz. Stuntman.
I'm Geo. As Geo.
Do not try any of the experiments you are about to see at home.
You heard him. Don't do it.
The first law is the law of inertia, which is an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force, and an object in motion will stay in motion also unless acted upon by an outside force. We will be conducting a series of experiments to prove the first law of motion. Our first experiment is called mattress. We will have our stuntman on a mattress at the top of the hill with 4 skateboards strategically placed underneath. He will continue down the hill, cross the landing, into a curb, and when the mattress hits into the curb, Chris will then propel over the curb into our safety net, the wonderful pricker bush.
That's a pricker bush.
A geo at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside air horn.
What the? Duck?
A Kolwicz at rest will stay at rest until acted upon by an outside key. The second law of motion is F equals ma, which stands for force equals mass times acceleration. For example, Craig has a low mass, so it does not require a lot of force for Chris to get him to accelerate on a swing. On the other hand, Geo has a much larger mass, requiring more force for Chris to get him to accelerate.
Did you notice that Chris was thrown back more so when hit by Geo than with Craig? Was it because of A, gravity, B, attraction and repulsion, C, difference of masses, or D, none of the above? If you guessed C, you are correct.
The third law of motion is, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. There we go. Because Chris has put his life on the line one too many times during the making of this video, we decided that strapping him to a rocket and seeing what happens would be a bad idea. So I have Craig help me demonstrate this, the third law of safety. Safety first.
This is the part where we blow up! Not today!
The rocket pushing down towards the ground has an equal and opposite reaction that pushes Buzz.